Let's take a look at our most easy, everyday recipe on using avocados, and that's in a salad. Simple ingredients. We're going to use mixed greens, tomatoes, bell peppers, feta cheese, and then we're going to top it with avocado slicings and our favorite dressing. Let's get started. Right here, we're just going to take some freshly washed lettuce and build our salad base like this, right? And then we're going to take some tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes. My favorite is cherry tomatoes. Then we can add some bell peppers. I like the color of the yellow bell pepper. And then we're going to add some feta cheese for some protein. Now that we have our salad base together, we're going to add our avocado slices. You take the back of the knife, and if you scrape it against the skin and rotate it, it helps to break the avocado away from the skin of the avocado. You then take it and you slice through all the way around, and you're going to then just give it a spin and pop it open. Now that you have your avocado, remove any spots that are a little bit brown. You're going to slice it in thin slices like this. You can work it a little bit with your hands so you can loosen it. And then we're going to take a spoon and we're going to gently just slide it out onto our plate for our salad. What a delicious and nutritious salad. It's as simple as just adding your favorite dressing. Mine is balsamic. And just sprinkle it with that. And then you have a wonderful salad. Lunch, snack, dinner, yes, it doesn't matter. This is tasty and nutritious. You ready to try it out? Let's get ready. We love avocado, and avocado loves us. Makes you want to eat the whole thing.